Alright, for anybody that might not know this trick, you can just pour your hot water into your grits packet, minus the fly. But just pour your hot water into your grit packet. You don't have to dirty your pot. Just eat them right out of the pack. And that's breakfast right there. Plus probably a half a Pop-Tart. Alright. Alright, that's what we're looking like this morning. Bird Gap. We camped just off the trail last night. Trail's right there. We chose not to walk to the shelter. It's all downhill and it's way off the trail. We could just camp right here. People's been camping here. So, but it is socked in with fog. So going on up that way. Came from down there. That was Slaughter Creek campsite. We just passed. Sorry if it sounds like I'm breathing hard. I am. We're gonna get there. 10 feet at a time. Nice steps. All right, we're still climbing. Still going up Blood Mountain. That's what the trail looks like. We're in the clouds up here again. I don't think we're gonna have a view, but we will get this out of the way this morning. I think I'm about 0.4 from the top. So, almost there. A little more climbing. You really can tell the temperature difference. It's gotten considerably cooler since we left camp. I'm still sweating my tail off. So, I don't know. It wasn't that bad of a climb so far. I didn't think it would. Met a couple coming down earlier. Just passed two hikers. Going up, they had stopped for a break. Midnight and Buttercup. Sweet Tea has taken off. This hiking seems to suit him pretty good. Really surprised he's doing as well as he is. But we're enjoying it big time. All right, let me finish this climb. I'll turn the camera back on when we get to the shelter.
But Chattanooga is hard to pass up, especially that downtown area.
Blood Mountain Shelter.
Don't ever go up and set up at the top. When you get there, there's a coffee shop. Right
Rock
across from the museum.
Stone Shelter.
When you set out there,
Older shelter on AT.
it's like you're in an Italian village.
That's cool.
Sweet Tea made it. 2 rooms. Big beams. So it's the oldest shelter on the AT. But it's so eerie up here with the stone building, fog. I mean, it is. I don't think we're gonna have a view. We're gonna stay a little while and give it a chance, but it pretty socked in with fog. That's your view out the bedroom window.
Is Memorial pretty close to Turner Field? Okay, well, we went over there, and it's
Sweet Tea gonna sign the logbook.
It's a little more distressed, I think you would say, than even Tesnatee. Yeah, it could be. And, but we didn't care for the barbecue there as much as we did Tesnatee. Tesnatee's barbecue got a little more bite to it. And,
No shelter. All right, going down Blood Mountain. Carefully. Check that out. That is a cool looking spot. Good morning.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Ready? This is about as bad as ice.
Oh, I can't imagine doing that. In this ice.
Clouds coming in. This would be one hell of a view on the right day.
Maybe say when you start the video, say, this is what it looks like. Coming in from Blood Mountain. And then after you say that, just like speed it up and when you see something cool, slow it back.
Clouds. That's what I woke up to at 2 o'clock this morning. Well, I mean, it's on you tonight. You play with it. It's pretty interesting. It's not bad. This is cool, man. All right, let's get off here. So all these boots are through hikers. Let's give it up right here. The dirt just slid off of it, don't it? That's a wild one right there underneath me, though. There's another one, bro. Alright, for any of you coming up from behind, if you're looking for a good option between Neil Gap and next shelter, it's a pretty good campsite right here. It says you've finally crested the hill out of Neil Gap. Plenty of tent spots. Beautiful camp area. I don't know. You get a lot of tents in here. If you don't want to make the trek out of Neil Gap all the way up to the next shelter, it's a good spot. Come over Blood, stop at Neil and resupply if it's late. Just, I would say somewhere around a mile maybe outside of Neil. Even the rocks starting to look like food. I swear that looks like a piece of pizza. I think when I get to Helen, we'll have a big pizza, some cold beer. Alright, there it is. Blood Mountain. We got it out of the way today. We are heading to I think even harder than Blood Mountain. I'm having a little gap. Full valley. And all the water. Little gap. Most of the time you're gonna reach fly there. The hill out the back of it. Top Laurel Mountain. We're going to push on from there. We're not stopping there. We're going to try to make it to I don't know, somewhere around Cow Rock Mountain. Nice little stealth campsite. I wouldn't mind camping there at all. May come back one of these days. I mean, you got views on both sides. We're right on this ridge. It falls off steep both ways. Well, that's it from the trail now. I'm going to turn this off and hike on. Look at this little campsite. Up here on the very top, Top Laurel Mountain. And that would be your view. I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not. Right there is a rock peak. Rock cliffside. That is awesome. What a view. I can only imagine what the sun would look like coming up over those mountains in the morning. Wow. All right, here we are, Cow Rock Mountain. Got some nice views.
Slow burn.
Sweet tea. A gallon of sweet tea would be good about right now, wouldn't it?
Invaluable.
We can have some Sunday night. How about that? Oh, you can drink sweet tea.
Yeah.
And pizza. I saw a rock earlier that looked like a piece of pizza. I recorded it. I said, damn, even the rocks are starting to look like food.
You're getting desperate.
We're going to finish this climb on up to the top of Cow Rock, and we're going to see what we're going to do from there. We may head down just a little bit into one of the gaps, not be up on top of the mountain. That way maybe if a cloud blows in, it won't wet all our clothes again tonight.
Be a miracle.
All right, we'll check in later. All right, here we are at the end of day 4. About got our camp set up. That's our view off the back. That's our view off the front. Yeah, we basically camped there in the parking lot. We run out of daylight and run out of energy. So that's where we at for tonight. I think it's Tesnatee Gap. It's about a, I think it was about a 10-mile day. I'll do a recap maybe in the morning. But we'll finish setting up camp. Cook us something to eat. Go to bed.